So, I am Krishna Prasad Gangaraju. Today I am going to explain question number 6 of 1.4 exercise. If you like my teaching, then subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Remember this one. If you like only. Okay. So here, simplify each of the following by rationalizing the denominator. We have to simplify this one by rationalizing the denominator. I already told the meaning of rationalizing. So, to convert denominator into rational number. So, by converting denominator to rational number, after that we have to give the final answer. So, this is the question. Here a plus b is there. What I have to do to get rational number? I will multiply with a minus b. A minus b means 6 minus 4 root 2. So, multiply and divide with 6 minus 4 root 2. Multiply and divide with 6 minus 4 root 2. So, 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 minus 4 root 2. Here a plus b is there. If I write a minus b, then resulting is a square minus b square. This root will get cancelled. That is only the secret in this question. So, here a minus b into a minus same. A minus b into a minus b is there in numerator. So, I will write a minus b into a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. In denominator, a plus b into a minus b. So, that is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Here I am using this formula. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So that is I am writing here. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So next step. This square is there, a minus b whole square. So, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So, a square minus 2ab. What is the value of b? 4 root 2, 2ab plus b square by 6 square means 36 minus this square will come for 4 and also root 2. So 4 square into root 2 square. Here I am using this formula. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. I am using a square minus 2ab plus b square formula there. So, in numerator, 6 square means 36 minus 2 6 are 12, 12 4s are 48 root 2 plus here also 4 square into root 2 square. In denominator, 36 minus 4 square means 16 into square root will get cancelled 2. So, next step, 36 minus 48 root 2 plus 4 square means 16 into square root will get cancelled, 2 is the final answer. By 36 minus 16 2s are 32. In numerator, 36 minus 48 root 2 plus 62s are 32 by 36 minus 32, 4, plus 36 minus 32 plus 4. Here 36, 32 plus symbol, here also plus symbol, same symbols, we have to add them. By adding 6 to 8, 3, 3, 6. So 68 minus 48 root 2 by 4. If I take 4 outside, then I will cancel here. So here in this table, fourth table will go, here also fourth table will go. I am taking 4 outside, 4 common. 4 ones are 4, balance 2 is there, 8, 28, 4 sevens are 28. Minus 4 ones, 4 twos, root 2 by 4. This 4 get cancelled. So answer is 17 minus 12 root 2. Therefore 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2 is equal to 17 minus 12 root 2. So this is the final answer. Okay. So second question is root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 plus root 5. Same in denominator, rationalizing the denominator. So here plus symbol is there. I have to multiply with minus. So we can write in another way also. Multiply and divide with root 7 minus root 5 is one type of writing. Another way is also there. Rationalizing denominator, that is also we can write. So I am writing like that. Rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator means multiply and divide with the denominator with opposite symbol. So to convert irrational number to rational number, what number we have to multiply, that number is called rationalizing. So root 7 minus root 5 divided by root 7 plus root 5 into, here plus symbol is there, I am writing minus symbol. Root 7 minus root 5. So here entire almost 70% of this exercise depend upon the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This exercise particularly. Okay. So here see the numerator a minus b, a same. So root 7 minus root 5 whole square by here a plus b into a minus b. Root 7 square minus root 5 square. Here I am using this formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So in numerator I will open this formula a minus b whole square. A square minus 2 a b plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A means root 7, b means root 5. Divided by 7 root will get cancelled 7. The square root will get cancelled 5. So square root will get cancelled 7 minus 2 into 7 into 5. In multiplication we will write single root. Plus square root will get cancelled, 5 is there. So divided by plus 7 minus 5 plus 2 plus 7 minus 2. So here I am using this formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So plus 7 plus 5. What is the answer? 12 minus 2 root 7 5s are 35 by 2 by 2. Here in denominator 2 is there. Here I can take 2 outside. Here also 2 outside. But we don't cancel 2 ones 2 6 like that. This is not correct. We have to take these 2 are also responsible for this number also. So you take 2 outside then cancel. So here 12, here 2. Here I am taking 2 outside. So 12 is there, means minus this 2 is coming outside in root 35 divided by 2. This 2 get cancelled. So balance is 6 minus root 35. Therefore, root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 plus root 5 is equal to 6 minus root 35. So this is the answer. So third is 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. So here also we can write rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator. So 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. See here minus symbol is there. I have to write here plus symbol. Here also plus symbol. So 1 into 3 root 3. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by a minus b, a plus b. A square minus b square. Here I am using this formula. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So in numerator as it is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 in denominator. This square will come for 3 and also root 2. So 3 square root 2 square minus, here also same, 2 square root 3 square. So next step, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 3 square means 9 root 9. This square root will get cancelled. So into 2 minus 2 square means 4. This square root will get cancelled 3. So 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by 9 2s are 18 minus 4 3s are 12. So next step, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by plus 18 minus 12, 6. So 6 is there. So here 6, here 3, 2. So any number is there to take outside? No. Here 3 table will come outside, but here no 3. So it is not possible. So this is the final answer. Therefore 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 is equal to 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 6. Okay. So next question is 3 root 5 minus root 7, 3 root 3 plus root 2. So rationalizing the denominator. So 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2 into, here plus symbol is there, I have to multiply with minus. 3 root 3 minus root 2 by 3 root 3 minus root 2. A plus b, a minus b. So root will get cancelled. So in numerator, I have to multiply these two. 3 root 5 minus root 7 into 3 root 3 minus root 2 by a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So here I am using this formula, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So next step, first I have to multiply 3 root 5 into this one. After this number into this one. So 3 root 5 into 3 root 3 minus root 2 minus root 7 into 3 root 3 minus root 2 by, this square will go inside, 3 square into root 3 square minus square root will get cancelled, 2. So 3 root 5 into 3 root 3. So 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 3, 9 into root of 5 into 3. 5 into 3 minus 3 root 5 into this one. So 3 into, nothing is there. 3 into 1 means 3. Root 5 into root 2. Root of 5 into 2. Root of 5 into 2. So this is over. Here minus. Minus into plus. Minus. Root 7. Here before no number is 1. 1 into 3. 3. Root 7 into root 3. Root of 7 into 3. Minus into minus plus. You have to remember, first you have to multiply these signs, after that numbers. Minus into minus, plus will become root 7 into root 2. So root of 7 into 2 by 7 into 2 by 3 square means 9 into square root will get cancelled, 3 will be there, minus 2. Next step, 9 root of 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15, minus 3 root 5 2s are 10, minus 3, 7 into 3, 21, plus root of 14 by 9 3s are 27 minus 2. So this is here root 15, root 10, root 21, root 14, all are different numbers. So we cannot add or subtract. So simply I am writing that number. 9 root 15 minus 3 root 10 minus 3 root 21 plus root 14 by 27 minus 2, 25. So 25 will not get cancelled by numerator. So this is the final answer. Therefore, 3 root 5 minus root 7 divided by 3 root 3 plus root 2 is equal to 9 root 15 minus 3 root 10 minus 3 root 21 plus root 14 by 25. So this is the final answer. If you like my teaching, then subscribe the channel and share to your friends. This will help to them also. Okay. Thank you for watching.